How to log out your TikTok account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can log out of your TikTok account from other devices. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of TikTok account from other devices, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch TikTok. And let's say that you think that your TikTok account is also logged into other devices and you want to log out. Just tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen and then you'll come to the profile page. Then just tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from the bottom, you want to go to settings and privacy. Then once you go to settings and privacy, once you come to this page, you'll find the option called privacy over here or the security tab. So you want to just go to security first. Under security, at the second option, you'll find manage devices. So you just want to tap on manage devices button. Once you tap on manage devices, right over here, you'll be able to see all the devices where your TikTok account is logged in. So if you want to remove your account from either of these, just tap the trash icon right next to these devices. So tap the trash icon, it will ask you to confirm to log out from this device. So tap on remove. Repeat the process for all the other devices that you want to remove your TikTok account from. This is simply how you can remove your TikTok account from other devices. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.